Are you looking for somewhere to invest your money to buy a property in Rwanda? Here we are for you, because Key Property Rwanda brings you beautiful homes where you can buy and invest your money. So here today in Kibagabaga, we have a 4-bedroom house, 3 bathrooms, living space, kitchen, and also a rooftop terrace here in Kibagabaga. So we are going to go in details to show you the one that you need to know before you get into buying this property. Here in Kibagabaga, one of the most beautiful neighborhoods in Kigali and high-end neighborhood. So as you can see, we have a nice neighborhood with different buildings here in Kibagabaga. So we are going to get inside our house. This is our house. As you can see, it's a brand new house. It just, got done constructed. So this is the parking space where you can fit 3 or 2 cars. Depends on how big they are. As you can see, it's quite big. And over here, we have a rooftop terrace that you can sit there, enjoy the view of the neighborhood. So we are going to go inside. We are going to tour around the rooms and the kitchen to show you the details of this house. But from outside, as you can see, we have a nice garden that is, very nice and make your home more homely, and you can sit here to enjoy your time with your loved one. So let's get inside of the house. Inside the house, we have this beautiful design here in this terrace in front of your house. As you can see, yes, this is where you can stand and talk to your family member or a guest. So this is the house. We have glass windows that brings in enough natural light. As you can see, it's quite big, because from where the camera is and where I am, it's quite big. So this is where you can put your TV. We have the plugs where you can plug your TV and you put TV cabinet, and we also have nice chandelier on the top, which comes with the house. You can see the lighting is on the top. So we are going into the dining room. As you can see, this is the dining area, and we have a big window that brings in natural light. As you can see, it's quite nice, and I love this beautiful chandelier on the top. You can see the lighting is something this house have. So we are going to go into the kitchen here, and from this countertop that can be used from for different occasions. You can use it as a bar or something else. And here we have a very spacious kitchen. Yes, it's quite big enough for someone who love cooking, and we have enough storage cabinets, as you can see, on the top, and here on down you can see it's quite big. We have a sink where you can use to wash dishes and also clean your food. So on this side we have where you can put the fridge here. Yes, so we are going to go in the back side to show you a bit of it, how it is. This is the back side. It's quite big enough. Yes, you can use it when you wash your clothes outside, or maybe your kids are playing outside. And here we have room for your house helper or maybe a housekeeper, and the bathroom, and also toilet. So we are going to go inside the bedrooms. Inside we have the guest room. Welcome inside. So this is how the guest room is. Yes, we have a big window to bring in natural light. Yes, it's quite big. So we have a bathroom on this side here with a shower head, and where you can do small things here, a basin, and also, you can use. Let's go to other rooms. So this is the corridor that's leading to the remaining 2 bedrooms and the master bedroom. So let's check out other rooms first. Side, I have this 1 bedroom on this side. Yes, and it's enough for one of the family member. If you are interested in buying and living here, we also have this other room, which is quite big than the other one. And these 2 bedrooms shares 1 bathroom, which is the one I'm going to show you right now. This is the bedroom, and this one, they share this 1 bathroom. And it's quite big for 2 bedrooms, as you can see from where the camera is and where I am. It's quite big enough. The toilet, the sink, and also a mirror to use. So we are going to go to the main bedroom of this house, which is master bedroom. So as you are entering the master bedroom, we have toilet on this side, which is quite spacious. Yes, and we also have two shower heads. You can see the toilet here, quite enough for a couple. And here we have a sink where you can wash your hands, with cabinets down here and also cabinets up here, and a mirror if you are someone who loves beautifying yourself. So let's go to the master bedroom. Here we have where you can use as a closet to put your clothes and your spouse's clothes. So here we have the master bedroom, which is very big. Yes, as you can see, it's quite spacious and enough for two people. And it has a very beautiful light on the head of the bed and also on the top. And you can also put your TV here if you don't want to use the TV in the living room. So here we have a balcony of the master bedroom. Welcome. Yes, this is the balcony. It's quite big enough for two people. You can sit here with your spouse as you are chatting to each other and enjoy your time. So from here on the other side, we have stairs that leads to the rooftop terrace. So yeah, this is how our house is. What do you think of this house? Let me know in the comment section. With our tour of this beautiful house here in Kibagabaga, and to remind you for your information, this house is on the price of 190 million Rwandan francs, negotiable, and it's on a plot size of 420 square meters. So this house is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, dining room, living room, kitchen, and also a rooftop terrace. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are interested in this property, let us know in the comment section. You can reach us out on the information in the description box. So thank you so much for staying here. If you are interested in more properties, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to someone else who will be interested in properties. Thank you so much.